All right, guys, Anthony here. We're back. It is 10 a.m. There you can see, that's the time. And we're pulling in 123 watts now. I think you can see that with the glare. We're using 44 watts because now the compressor is running on the fridge. So it's taking in almost triple what it's putting out. And the battery now is 80%. So the battery charge is going up in the last, hour and a half or less than 2 hours that I came out here and made the original video. So that's showing you that I'm putting power in at a greater rate than I'm taking power out, therefore charging the battery via solar. That's what you want. That's the goal, to keep your food fresh and cold and recharge your batteries at a surplus. That's the goal. So let's go take a look at the panels one more time. The sun is higher now, or at a better angle. There's my panels, and they're in basically full sun right now. And your fridge is 35 degrees. There's the inside thermometer. I always keep the inside thermometer as well. Temperature gauge. All right. Take care, stay ready. We'll come back again later and see this battery topped off.